Absolutely. So, but everyone wants to look poreless. So is it a myth?
It is a myth because you're not going to eradicate your pores, but what you can do is exfoliate and tighten the pores, minimize the appearance, keep them really clean, mattify, especially if you have oily skin, and that's going to give you the appearance of this glowing skin, clear skin. But it is a myth to think that they're just going to all of a sudden disappear. The way that you formulate each line within your line is typically somebody who has oily skin, acne skin. You don't necessarily want to use all the acne products because a lot of them are they're formulated to be too stripping if you use them all together. You can use this entire line here that's going to address the oil, acne, but you're not going to overdo it. You're not going to strip. It's formulated delicately, but successfully to treat.
Yeah, but thank you. But yeah, the goal is to maintain the skincare regimen.
That's right.
And really to take Jennifer in your own bathroom, like also the doctors, the dermatologists. This is what we're trying to do. But I think also mattifying